Hello, my name is Jan Wiewes. I like to show you something that maybe can destroy our whole planet. This is Centaurus A. It contains a supermassive black hole. Centaurus A again. Look at this picture. Okay, you got the most material flying around the black hole here. So this has a spin. And you can see that in this this gas, or what it is, has also a spin. You can see it maybe better on this. You maybe can see it better on this picture. You get the black hole in the center, and there you get particles that are moving. This is from the Large Hadron Collider from a nuclear CERN collision. Can you see something? We also got some particles here that show the same movement. I have turned it a little bit, so that you can compare it better to the other picture of the other black hole. I've marked some of the particles. Number 3, we got here some particles that try to spin around it. So. Now I like to show you something else. This is a quark cycle. I'm wondering because it looks so imperfect. But then I think this imperfection, I think they like to show us something. Look at this. This can be huge atoms, and this can be small atoms. This is a movement, and I think these are not perfect cycles because they spin. This is a quark cycle from Mexico, from 2012. So it's not so old. I think it is a black hole warning. Look at this. We have the same like we have in the galaxy. We have again the movement of these particles outside, and the most particles are flying around it. Again, number 3. Number 3 here. Maybe you are asking yourself why I think these are particles. This is the seal of Saturn. This one. Can you see it now? There they are again, or 2 circles. but here we got the line between it. And here we have a force that is in one direction, and a force that is in another direction. So that means the particles are not flying in one direction or not in the other, they are staying in the center. I think you know how Saturn looks. Now again, our crop cycle. We have also the circles. Once again. And we have something else. Look at this. Number 4. Here we also got it, number 4, but at this picture there's no movement and it is in both directions. So I think this is an alien artwork that should show us what we are trying to do at the moment. I think this is our Earth. This says, number 4, says it is shrinking. And this in the center is a black hole. I think this one is also interesting, but I don't know what it is. It reminds me on a pulsar, but I don't know. I also think that black holes are not massive inside. I mean, they have a huge mass, but I think this, to me, it looks more like something in the black hole is spinning around. And I also think that this gets its energy from the other stars around it. And at one point of time, when the other stars are not around the black holes, or maybe they melt together to one big one, and then it's destabilizing, exploding, and then we have something we call Big Bang. But as long as the stars are here, to simulate something like this is very dangerous, because it can stabilize, it won't explode. I don't know why this is not stabilized, but maybe there are some of these particles needed, or it is not perfectly created this time. But I think every smashing of atoms that destroys them can create a black hole. This is from Switzerland, from the Swiss, where the Larger Hadron Collider is. I mean, a part is under forms. Can you see something? Again, this one. It's the other way around. So I've turned it. And here we have it again. Once, at one time the atoms are in this direction, then in the other, spinning again. They are compressed, and then they end in a black hole. This picture was taken not far away from the Large Hadron Collider. Can you see the building? It's not sharp, I know, but this looks very much like Swiss. like to show you something else. This is how a fish looks after Fukushima. Because I'm telling you this because the main sponsors of the Large Hadron Collider is some I don't know it in English, something that sponsors development of nuclear power. And my parents told me that when they were young, they told them that nuclear power is wonderful, it generates no CO2, no waste, absolutely perfect and wonderful for the environment. And you all know Chernobyl, and they have put out the radioactive waste, put in new fresh and burning material because they know that something can go wrong. And when I put fresh burning material on my hand, nothing happens. I can wait some minutes. If I got luck, I don't get cancer. But if it comes out of the reactor, I put it on my hand, I will die. I don't need to make any plans for next week. So, do you think you can trust these people? Look at this fish. This does not come from the sea, but I see that the fish in the sea has the same problems. It was after Fukushima. Normally, this looks like this, white, but this fish is very ill. So, that was what I like to show you. Sayonara.